In today's video, we have a big and massive update to talk about. All the weather, all of the hurricane talk, we have a massive update. So let's get right into it. Alright, starting all off on our reflectivity, we have a lot of showers from a hurricane down here. It's probably around 600 miles away. To 200 miles away from the United States. There is some showers across Florida, and North Carolina, South Carolina is getting in on some showers and thunderstorms with the humidity and moisture that is in the atmosphere right now, currently with this hurricane. And over here in the northwest, we have a spinning low pressure system that is currently close to Canada and close to Washington that is going to bring some showers and thunderstorms. And we could probably see some snow in the Rocky Mountains pretty soon. And I'm just going to dive into everything in today's video. First, I want to start off with our SPC outlook from the National Weather Service, only issuing a general risk of thunderstorms. This is for scattered thunderstorms and a chance of seeing some showers, thunderstorms all throughout the day in these areas. So if you live in any of these areas in the light green, you could see some thunderstorms today. On our day 2 outlook, we only have 4 places to watch for some thunderstorms. Day 3 outlook, still dealing with some scattered thunderstorms. In the Gulf, we got 2 places. In the north, we have 1 place. There in the Rocky Mountains, and in the west, we have another 2 spots. This is for just some thunderstorms, some scattered rain. And there is no risk, so you don't have to worry about a massive storm system or anything, just some pockets of rain. This is our massive and big update on the weather. This is Hurricane Imelda and Hurricane Alberto. I don't know how to say it. I get it wrong a few times. But we have a Category 1 Hurricane Imelda that is currently missing the United States. But it is a massive storm, as we have rain showers all the way up into Ohio from this hurricane. And this is going to move east and possibly impact Bermuda. That's not good. It'll be a Category 2 hurricane. Hurricane Alberto is a Category 1 hurricane. And it is tracking north-northeast, which these are going to miss the United States. That's our big update. Missing the United States. So Florida, you got in some rain on the east coast of Florida. North Carolina, all the way up into Ohio, you're going to see some showers with this system. Georgia, you could see some scattered thunderstorms in the mountains with humidity building. Just the atmosphere is loaded with water from this hurricane. So you could see some showers in those areas, but it is tracking northeast. Alberto is tracking northeast. Hurricane Imelda is tracking east towards Bermuda. And these actually might collide. This is tracking north-northeast, and that is going to miss the other hurricane. And as the other hurricane moves east, they actually might meet up again as this turns northeast. And they might meet up again and combine into one low pressure system. The last time this happened is with Hurricane Helene, as it collided into 2 low pressure systems over here in the Ohio Valley. And then you had the low pressure system Helene in the Gulf, one in the Ohio Valley, and they collided into one low pressure system. That's what caused a massive flooding event in North Carolina. Here is our 6 to 10 day outlook temperature anomaly. We can see that we have a negative PNA in the west, which a dip in the jet stream low pressure system, and then we have a high ridge in the east. This is for negative PNA and positive PNA in the east. And then eventually it will flip as we go into the winter. Positive PNA will be in the west, where hotter, warmer temperatures. East will be colder temperatures. Basically, it will flip like this, a high pressure system, and then a dip into the east. 8 to 14 day outlook, we're still dealing with a negative PNA, positive PNA, and the east. And I do want to point out on our 6 to 10 day outlook, we could see some places being in the low 90s, actually to mid 90s for daytime temperatures in the Great Plains. You can really see this ridge building in. We have warmer temperatures in the east, as this keeps on going into the day. We're going to see hotter and hotter temperatures slowly diving down as we go into the night. See that it starts to cool down. We could see some cold temperatures in the northeast, possibly 30s and 40s. High temperatures today could probably be in the 60s, some nice fall weather. And in the west, we have a big time cold temperatures, especially in the Rocky Mountains. This is negative P8. As we take this further and further into the day, see that high pressure system builds again into tomorrow, Wednesday. That will be October 1st, first day of October. We are zooming through the year. On the third day, this is going to be on October 2nd, Thursday. A lot of hot temperatures, especially down here in the south. Hot temperatures are going to dive into the plains. Do want to point out today we could be seeing some 90s. Would be surprised if we saw 90s again, especially down here in the southwest. 90s are possible. And Texas, models were showing 90s in the Great Plains. Take out through the excessive rainfall risk. We only have a marginal threat in the west for a chance of slow-moving storms moving through the Rocky Mountains. It's going to bring some flash flooding. On our day 2 outlook, we only have a small marginal threat of excessive rainfall all the way far into the northwest and Washington for slow-moving storms moving through. Might bring some 3 inches of rain possible. Back into the Rocky Mountains, we have a spot of seeing some slow-moving storms. Over here in Florida, there is a chance of seeing some flash flooding possible from Hurricane Imelda. Alright, that's all I got the weather talk for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will probably be making a video on tomorrow. If it's not posted tomorrow, it will be on Thursday. So y'all keep a lookout and subscribe. And share with as many people as possible.